Learners, in today's class, we will learn about use of capitalization. Capitalization means when we have to capitalize the first letter of any word. The first letter of any word have to write in capital letter. Here we see number 1, name of date. That means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday. For name of every days, we have to use the first letter in capital letter. It may be at the beginning of any sentence, at the middle of any sentence, or at the last of any sentence, anywhere. But we have to write the first letter of any names of days in capital letter. And number 2, name of months. For writing every month, we have to use the first letter is in capital letter. Here we see January, February, March, and like this, December. Here, the first letter of every month will be in capital letter. And next, third one, name of rivers. For every types of rivers, we have to use the first letter is in capital letter, like the Podda, the Meghna, the Mahananda. And here we see Mahananda is a small river. Podda is a big river. But for small or for big, we have to use the first letter is in capital letter. And after that, the last one we see name of mountains. For every types of mountains, we have to use the first letter is in capital letter. Here we see Mount Everest and we see Mount Cook. Here we see Everest and here M is in capital letter. And after that, M and C is in capital letter. So for every types of mountains, we will use the first letter is in capital letter. Okay, dear audience, today from here, wish you all the best.